Hello guys, let me show you how to open the Hotpoint washing machine. If it's jammed, this is jammed. Okay, all you need to do is you look for a string. I'm using this two forks, so I'll be using this to open the machine. Okay, so let me make sure this is properly tightened. So I place this inside. So I place this inside. So this is where to open it if your machine is jammed. I place this inside. Then I pull. Then voila, it opens. So that's the quick way to open your jam machine. Alright, I'll be stopping the video now.